Hey y'all, this happy Sunday, y'all. Today is August the 11th. This is my birthday month, y'all. Happy birthday to me. This is my month. So one of my daughter's birthday is this week also. So I'm gonna decorate. Y'all, I don't know. Y'all do this. I like celebrating birthdays. It's a milestone, and I think it's, thank God you giving me another year here on this earth, and it's just a big deal to me. And so I've always done something for my kid's birthday. Some spent more money than I should have. I remember one time back in the day, I think it may have been my daughter's 7th birthday. And I think it was at the time K&B. And remember, K&B became Rite Aid. And y'all, I paid $7 for 8 plates. Now, mind you, I'm a single parent, struggling, and paying $7 for birthday plates to decorate for a birthday party. I rented tables and chairs and all that. But then, I was young and wasn't really trying to impress people, but I was trying to give my kids a somewhat decent life. I think I tried to make up for the fact that the dads wasn't actually there the way they could have been. And so, yeah, I paid I think it was $7 or $8 for it was really pretty. I don't even think I have a picture of it. I don't know. I lost some pictures when I had that fire in the other house. And then I had some pictures I hadn't gotten developed and just all kind of stuff, y'all. But, if you're struggling to pay your bills, don't go out of your way to have a birthday party. Do a little small decoration for your kids. And, and just for me, I know better now. I ain't finna go get no payday loans, right? When I had the money, but I spent it on something that was unnecessary, right? Yeah, I feel like we do a lot of things materialistic, and is it really for us, or are we trying to impress people? I can honestly say though, and I'm really real about this. It was never to impress people, but it was to try to give my kids a somewhat decent life. Again, trying to make up for the fact that the dads wasn't present the way they should have been. They were always financially supported, but not the way they could have been, like with more time. Remember I said kids spell love Time. And so you don't have a chance to go back and right your wrongs. All you could do is do better going forward. And so, yeah, I still, go out of my way for birthdays, but I'm not spending unnecessary money to do it. I'm spending money that I have to do it. You understand what I'm saying? There is a difference. So anyway, yeah. So I got me the Pure Leaf Unsweet Tea. Y'all know that's my favorite. And I like to get the Country Time lemonade to put in there, but I didn't get the Country Time because they didn't have it at Walmart. Don't have the Country Time. They have Crystal Light, so I went ahead and got the Great Value kind. I was going to get the Crystal Light lemonade because they say it's made with stevia or some other kind of sugar that's better for you than this. I think this has aspartame. No, it has phenylcanorics. Contains phenylalanine. So I need to see, because I just go there. That's aspartame right there. That's what it is. And they're saying that too much of that causes different health problems. So I remember my cousin, she's dead now. She was a nurse. And I remember her telling us that she had read somewhere where these packets weren't good for you. Not to use a lot. And I probably use one of these at least once a day. So I need to try to probably back off from that. And I've been looking up those that have stevia and, other type of sweeteners. That's what I'm switching over to. Trying to be healthier. And so my colors for my decoration is pink, black, and gold. So I do the balloon arch myself, and I got like the curtain thing to put up. I got the things to go on the table. And I'll just have I told y'all, in May, I decorated for my son's graduation. I kept that up until his birthday in June. And then I switched the congratulations graduate to happy birthday. And I just took that down last week. And so now it's August. This is going to be up all of August. I wish I should have done it for the first, but that's okay. I got my Cosmic Apples. They're $1.47 at Walmart. And these 5 were $5 or something, I think, but that's not bad. Think about it. I eat this and peanuts. So say $10. I got my breakfast for the whole week. You'll spend more than that going to one of the places to get a breakfast in maybe 2 days. depending on what you get, maybe that one day. But I've been eating the apples and peanuts since I was reading, trying to research on something to eat that was healthy and was filling. And so you got your fiber and your protein. And so that's what I do every morning for breakfast. I'm making my son some brownies, the Ghirardelli brownies. I really don't want brownies. I really want me a peach cobbler. So I may make a peach dump cake. And you know what? I was going to do 2 boxes. No, I'm just going to do 1. I'm going to put it in a smaller thing because when I made them the last time, they were real thin. My guilty pleasure. Do y'all like this? I like the bar, but I really love it in the bites. I know that may sound crazy. And so it's not really that bad, y'all. Look, so if you, this is 4 servings, right? And it's one thing. 4 servings of this will be, if you eat the whole thing, that's 600 calories. So all you do is multiply all this by 4. So that'll be 48 grams of carbs if you eat the whole thing of this. But if you think about it, 48 carbs they got 48 carbs in 1 can of soda. But I wouldn't eat the whole thing at one time. You know, I'm going to tell y'all something. Hold on, I'm finished. My son wanted some Airheads. Went to Walmart and I got these lens wipes. This is the same brand that I got from Sam's. I don't know how many I got. But y'all ever talk to somebody and their glasses dirty? Y'all, when do y'all clean? Let me ask y'all this. When do you clean your eyeglasses? You know when I clean mine? Every time I wash my face. Every time I wash my face, every time I bath, I clean my glasses. My son had a doctor's appointment this week, and he was telling the doctor how he suffers with insomnia, and which he does. And the doctor told him, he said, get you some melatonin. And so this is what I got. I thought he said 20 milligrams, but he must have said 10. I didn't see 20. But check this out, y'all. This bottle was $9.88. I was like, oh my goodness. And then I got me some spirits. Long Island iced tea. I used to love a Long Island iced tea when I would go to the club. I'm not a clubbing person anymore. But I can have me a long iced tea in the comfort of my home, not going anywhere, not bothering anybody, right? So, yeah, I'm going to have me a Long Island iced tea. Now, let's see what the amount of carbs is with that. It don't even have it on here. Wow, I don't know how many carbs I'm consuming. That's the only thing about it. But anyway, I got 2 of those, and I probably won't drink a whole one. Honestly, I probably will. Just, 12 ounces? 16 ounces. I probably could drink all that. Anyway, y'all, that's all I have. Oh, let me tell y'all what the doctor said about... Okay, I'll tell y'all later. But he was telling me some things about my son. He was telling my son some things about sleep and what happens. And I'll share that with y'all in a little bit. But anyway, y'all, hey, it's hot outside. It's not as hot as it's been, though, actually. Church was really good. The message came from the 23rd Psalm. God is. It was really good. One of our associate pastors preached today. My pastor's actually on vacation this week. But anyway, y'all, so look, be blessed. Make someone smile from wherever you are. Much love. And for all those that are grieving, I'm praying for comfort. For all those that are sick, I'm praying for healing, recovery, some relief from your pain. Those with a broken heart, maybe you were in a relationship that ended. Trust God and know that a lot of times doors close so other doors could open. It's just how life is sometimes. Sometimes in life we go through things and we don't know. All we're looking at is the bad, but there's a light at the end of that tunnel. I'll never forget one time I had a job interview, and I went to the job interview, and the man was telling me, he said, we're going through we're in the middle, we're anticipating filing for bankruptcy. So I came home, and I sent him an email and said, thanks for the opportunity to interview, but at this time I'm going to withdraw my application. And y'all, it wasn't even 6 months later that place closed. So God will give you discernment. Another time, tell y'all, see y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.